friends, today I am going to show you how to prepare Pongal. It's also called as Ven Pongal in South India. I have taken about 2 cups of rice. This is the cup which I have taken for measurement, and 1.5 cups of pesal pappu, that is the broken green gram without the husk. Ghee, this is homemade ghee. Crushed ginger, oil, milk 1 glass, cumin seeds about 2 to 2.5 spoons, curry leaves, green chilies, 4 green chilies, 1 sliced onion, 1 teaspoon crushed pepper, and asafoetida for flavor. I am going to wash the rice thoroughly 2 to 3 times. I have taken 2 cups of rice, so I will be adding 3 cups of water and pressure cook it as usual what you do at your homes. I am going to wash this dal thoroughly, but I am going to open cook it in a vessel with 3 cups of water. Along with the dal, I am going to add the crushed ginger while it is cooking. The dal is washed. I have added 3 cups of water into it and also the ginger into it. So this will boil together. Allow the dal to boil till it is completely soft. The rice has become soft and nicely cooked. This is how it should be cooked. Now I'm going to add the boiled and dal. Look at the dal. It should be smashed this way. I'm going to mix the dal into the rice. Mix it well. At this stage, I'm going to add the milk, 1 glass of milk. I'm going to add the salt for taste. Check the salt. Salt is perfect. Now I'll switch on the flame and leave it for a few minutes in a low flame because I have added the milk, so let it just cook in the milk for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the pan is hot, I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil get hot. Once the oil is hot, we will add the cumin seeds first. Let it splutter. Cumin seeds give very good flavor for Pongal, so I always add a little more of cumin seeds. You also can try that. Once the cumin seeds change the color, I'm going to add the peppercorns, the crushed peppercorns, then the green chilies, the curry leaves, I add onions to pongal. This is optional actually, but adding onions gives a very good flavor to the pongal. So you please try it out. It's completely optional. It's not a must that you add onions, but try making pongal adding the onions to it. It has to change its color, light brown in color. Let the onions turn light brown in color. Leave it in a low flame. Onion has changed color. It's become light golden brown. This is the stage you stop frying it. Put off the flame. Now let's check whether the dal, the rice and the milk has cooked well. Now look at this mixture. I have added the milk and it's thoroughly cooked. Now I'm going to add this fried ingredients to the cooker. In the hot oil, add a little bit of asafoetida because asafoetida gives a very good flavor to the pongal. Mix it well. Check for the taste whether the salt is okay. Yeah, perfect. The salt is perfect. Now I'm going to shift this into a bowl and add ghee to it. I have shifted the pongal into a bowl. At this stage, I'm going to add the ghee. Spread the ghee on the pongal and leave it. The ven pongal is ready to serve along with coconut chutney. The ven pongal is ready to serve with coconut chutney. This is a very healthy dish for children. Please try it out at your homes. It is going to be a very tasty dish. Leave your comments and subscribe my channel.